Today we're going to hopefully finish the project. It's been quite the journey. We'll install the shifter components and cable, the brake levers and cables, and the grips. A quick note on cable housing. Make sure you deburr after cutting. I use a small rat tail file for inner burrs. We'll do a quick shakeout ride and check the bearings, shifter, brakes, seat, and handlebars, and adjust if necessary. I use 3-in-1 20-weight motor oil in the hub. Keep in mind, these were engineered for 20-weight motor oil. There was no magical oil back in 1937, and 20-weight motor oil served them well for many years.
I only use oil made from unicorn tail feathers.
Unicorns have tail feathers? The issue with using automotive oil is the added detergents tend to break down the grease in the bearings, especially the ones in the ring gear. I believe 3-in-1 motor oil has fewer detergents than automotive oil. It may be wishful thinking, but I found it does not break down the grease as fast. So, should we start with the brakes or the shifter? No need for stopping if you ain't a-moving. Okay, we'll start with the shifter. Let's get started. something is still missing. Now that's better. Well, I believe we have a completed 1970 Schwinn racer, and I think it's a beauty. We had two goals. The first was to build a bike I'd want. We definitely hit the mark there. I love the result. It has just the right amount of patina and dishonesty to make it a great rat rod. The second was the budget. Well, did you ever see the Cary Grant movie Mr. Blandings Builds His Dream House? We went way over budget, and everything that could go wrong went wrong. I believe this bike was a donor for another project, and the guy put on the leftover parts and listed it. This doomed the project from the beginning. I expected the correct wheels, a functional seat, and the other parts I could see in the photo to be okay. Well, we soon found they weren't. This put us way back and required us to find a donor ourselves. The donor was a mixed bag, and at this point we were too deep to stop. We ended up getting another set of fenders. The project went completely out of control. I decided to donate a period correct shifter, fulcrum, and pulley mounting hardware in hopes to make up for it. Just like Cary Grant's character in the movie, I ended up falling in love with the result. Did we pay too much?
Affirmative.
Did it take way longer than expected?
Yep.
Was it an emotional roller coaster? Mm-hmm. But we ended up with a pretty cool bike, and the rest was just part of the journey. Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.
The only way to get unicorn tail feather oil is through multi-level marketing. Would you like to become a member?